We're here wrapping up 2013 NUC Combine here in Tampa, Florida, 7th, 8th, and 9th grade edition. I'm standing with our O-line 9th grade MVP, Sean Behrens from Newsom High School. This kid's standing at 6'3 and a half, 236 right now. He did an awesome job on the O-line, dominated in my opinion at his position. He's got a size 15 shoe, awesome hands, violent hands, and a great competitor. Sean, how do you feel you performed today?
I feel like I did pretty good. I could have done a little bit better, but I played to the best of my ability today.
Well, he's an absolute competitor. You love to see that in an offensive lineman. He's got a mean streak to him, and he really loves to compete. What are your 2013 personal goals?
Don't let my quarterback get sacked.
I love it. I love it. What about your 2013 team goals?
Make districts and do the best we can.
Well, I know Newsom High School is going to love to have Sean anchoring the offensive line for him. Congratulations today. We'll see you in Atlanta.